Good morning everyone. I am Akanksha Bondade from Abha Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering, Department of Computer Science and Engineering. My project topic is multi-keyword search with privacy reservation using attribute-based encryption. In distributed networks, owner can store their document over the distributed multiple server. It is very challenging task to provide the efficient search on the distributed document, also provide the privacy on the owner's document. In this system, documents are distributed over the multiple private server which can collectively controlled by the cloud or the public server. The aim of the project is to provide the secure distributed document search with the quantitatively differentiated privacy preservation in the presence of multi-keyword document search and also provide the ranking of a result. So let's start the project implementation. Now here we are implement this project using the Java language. This is a NetBeans window. Here we are build the four private server 1, 2, 3 and 4, one cloud server, one KDC center and one monitoring server as well as one user. So first step is to upload the data from the private server. First step, this is a private server window. Browse the data, select the data set, then open the data. Read the dataset. Data is read successfully. Then performing the pre-processing. Remove stop word. Stop word, it means that a word which is used for building the sentences. That type of word is removed successfully. Then generate the indexes. Index is generated successfully. Then table is created. Then add index. Then table show. Then upload index table. This table is uploaded to the public cloud. Now time graph. Similar process is performed to the private server too. Data is uploaded to the public cloud. This is a private server 3 where also same process is performed here. Same process is performed here. Now next is private server 4. Select the data set, open the data set, then read the data set. Perform the pre-processing, remove the stop word, generate the indexes, create the table, add indexes, show table, upload index table. Now next is a monitoring server. Monitoring server is accepted the data from private server 1, 2, 3 and 4. So combine the data, that is the create table. Data is combined successfully. Then calculate share. Then generate the main indexes. Main indexes create successfully. Then show the index table. Then upload index. Now here is this is a user window. User is searching the word here. It is mean car layer. Okay. So next is a search. Here showing the searching result. Minimum and car is available for all four private servers and Layer is only present in the private server 1, 2 and 3. Next step is connect to server. We want to access the data from server 1. So connect. If the user is already having the password and email ID, then directly log in here. Otherwise, go to sign up. Then fill the registration. Here is entering the password. Now click on the sign in. Here the registration is successful. Now they are giving the password of our server. Now next is sign in here. Enter the password. Now this will give the OTP for accessing uh, the data. Okay. Now next step is file download. So here is use the OTP. Now we are successfully download the encrypted file. So next step is decrypt the data. So go to decrypt, then enter the server password. Now the file is successfully decrypted. Next is ranking of result. Here is showing the ranking of result. Layer word is count 9 times in this document. Now comparison graph. This is a searching graph. Time, searching graph, downloading time and decryption time, all our comparison is showing here. And this is the accuracy graph. This is the accuracy graph because the minimum and car is not present in that file, but layer is present in that file, and this count is a 9. That's why this is a actual graph of this searching the word layer. Thank you. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Once again,